let's rewind the most jaw-dropping weather moments from this week.
You know a storm is about to hit in South Louisiana when every single one of your neighbors cutting their grass. Nothing like a little fresh cut grass to deter a hurricane. And no, I'm not trying to fearmonger anyone, but as we've seen lately in the South, the weather can change pretty quickly. Just be aware.
This is the most Florida weather thing. Look how stormy it looks. It just looks so dark and like it's about to pour. And then you just look across the street and it just looks like it's 7 o'clock.